All right, guys, today we got a real busy shoot day, so a lot of our cameras are out. So I'm filming this with the GoPro, so forgive me. But I wanted to show you the unboxing of the SLB60, and to me, this is the Aputure 120D killer because it comes with a battery and it offers very similar light output. But right now, we're not doing a review. We're just doing an unboxing. I want to show you guys what comes in the box. Really simple video. But if you're thinking about buying one of these for video purposes, it's important you know what all you're getting in the box. Boom, bang, pow, instructions. Let me know it passed quality control, which is important when you're buying stuff from China. But Godox is a pretty good company. I use them for a lot of stuff. I love Godox. I paid for this light. They didn't send me this. I wish they would, but I don't know if they like me like that yet. Okay, so as you can see, you have the actual light itself, plastic, but works great. You gotta hit the button here to get the top off. Nice powerful LED with the cooling fan. I like it because it's Bowens mount, and I have a ton of accessories that are Bowens mount from the photography days. This is the same battery that's used with the AD600. I know because I have some AD600s and I love them. My favorite strobe light ever. Just my opinion. This bad boy goes on here like so. Let me see if I can line it up. There you go. It also comes with the power cable for the charging brick. Some of these thingamajigs to keep moisture out. They say do not eat, but as a kid, like a dummy, I ate some one time. It was a bad experience. We'll talk about it in the comments. You also get your dish and you get your remote, right? Now, I've seen people complain about this slot on the dish and they're like, I don't understand why it has a slot there. It doesn't make any sense, blah, blah, blah. One of the top YouTubers really complained about this and they didn't understand that this slot coincides with this hole so that you can put an umbrella on it and the umbrella goes through the dish into the hole without a problem. They were like, I don't understand why they put a hole in the dish. That hole is for people who use umbrellas. And a lot of times you don't just put an umbrella straight onto here. You put an umbrella that bounces off here and that umbrella pole goes through that hole. However, if you don't use an umbrella, don't pop that hole open. Really freaking simple. All right, guys, that's everything. Dope that you get a remote with it. Let me show you that real quick. Really simple Godox remote. Nothing special, but it works. This bad boy, been waiting on this bad boy. So I probably need to power it. Oh, I don't need to power it. That bad boy is on and we are running 10%. Hear the fan on it? Just listen to the fan. Oh, it's actually quiet. It's quieter than I thought. But this bad boy gets crazy bright and it does the damn thing. So pretty dope. Oh man, it's super bright. Pretty dope. And gets the job done for, you know, a half the price of a 120D. Check it out. If you like what you see in this video, guys, hit that thumbs up, and I will see you guys and maybe a full review for this. If you want a full review, post it in the comments. We'll do a full review. All right, see you later, guys.